Alright, good morning friends of the vlog. It is gloomy day here in Carolina Beach, but we made our way down to the rock spot, I'm gonna call it. And there's a crazy wave breaking right in front of the rocks. Amanda is super about it. She's so into it. And yeah, finally got floaty for the GoPro. Bang. So we're out there. Good morning. Starting our day off. Whoa. Starting our day off with some waves. So, stoked you guys are with us. This is kind of dumb. Pretty sketchy.
Shrouping on the rock. Oh god! What? Hey, guess what, guys? We're doing an Olympic sport. Check it out.
Come on. Come on. Good boy.
Right on there. Ah, I distracted him. Skateboard, bud. Do it. Do it. Dude, I mean, he's on there.
Good job, Indy. We were rolling around this shop.
What? Alright, so if you guys follow us on Instagram, you probably already know, or if you follow me and some friends started a new band. The songs we've been writing and playing, I guess the best way to describe them would be alternative metal. So we've been playing for a couple months now, and we've been trying to figure out a band name. So finally, as of today, we figured it out, and you guys are never, actually you guys are gonna be stoked, I think. Our band name is Shralp, dude. Shralp. Don't know what Shralp is? Shralp is another word for shred or like ripping. It's just when you're like shredding on a skateboard, surfboard, snowboard, whatever, mountain bike, dirt bike, whatever. Shrouping, dude. So we're stoked. but I'm gonna throw in a quick clip of us playing our first song that we wrote. So yeah, we're stoked. All right, guys. This stuff, game changer. I'm serious, dude. So, I woke up at 5 today, went surfing, and then hung out with Amanda, went surfing again. That's what you guys saw. And so now we've kind of done some chores. Amanda worked out, she just left for work, but I am super tired. We didn't get a whole lot of sleep last night. Indy was like, we moved his kennel into our room to get him used to kind of sleeping around us. Dude, he barked like all night and was whining, and we didn't sleep much at all, so I'm like really tired. So I'm not a huge nap guy. I like feel like I'm wasting time when I nap. Sometimes, like, you know, you have to, but dude, this stuff is so easy to make. Good coffee, dude. It's so sick. So check this out. We have not made coffee ice cubes with it yet, but that's coming. But man, you just like grab some ice. If you don't have a lot of time in the morning, or you want a good cold coffee or a good second coffee, dude, this is the way. Pour some milk. So last time, did about 10 ounces of milk, which would be 300 milliliters of milk, which would also be 300 grams of milk. But we did 2 teaspoons of this, and dude, we were like freaking out. Like, it was so, this stuff is so concentrated. It's gnarly. So this time I'm just gonna do 1. And this legit tastes like a freaking oat milk latte. Oh yeah. What the? Yeah. Dude, awesome. Heck yeah. You got it. You're good, dude. out here, friends of the vlog. We got Nick, Ethan. Ah! Yeah! Yeah!
I fucking did the downshift, stalled it, and just.
Yeah, as soon as we stop riding, it's hot, but when we're riding, it's like fine.
Yeah.
I was doing that like track thing, and then I couldn't find you guys, dude. Yeah, the hills are sick. Hell yeah. So sandy.
that branch me up.